Welcome to Mama Maestra, and let's beautify our life by cleaning, organizing and decorating. Friends, if you like this video, do subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. Friends, this video is about how I organize my home, storage, closet and drawer. Along with this video, I will also be giving you some tips. Well friends, this is my bedroom. And my bedroom has got drawers and a walk-in closet. I use the upper dressing drawers to organize accessories that I use on regular basis. And for folding my clothes, I use KonMari method and sort out my clothes according to the color and their type. This way, it creates a lot of space and I can store more clothes when it comes to organizing in drawers. Friends, when you use KonMari method to organize your clothes in the drawer, you can see even if you pick up the clothes and throw it, it will not open. This folding method also saves a lot of space and you can store more clothes. It also makes your drawer look neat and organized. Friends, as you know that I have a very small apartment and I also have a walk-in closet where I hang clothes according to their color and type and use basket and containers to store accessories. In bathroom again, I use baskets to store and organize bathroom cleaning products, hair care products and pull out drawers. At the same time, I use containers to organize personal hygiene items. I have an open dining and living room area which is connected together, as you can see. And in my living room area, I have an extra storage space. You can also say it's a storage cupboard or closet. This extra storage closet that I have in my living area, I use this space to store or hang our coats and shoes that we wear on regular basis. With other accessories that we don't use often in our house. And in front of this door, I have got a mail organizer with key holders on it. Friends, my kitchen is again connected to my laundry and my pantry area, as you can see now that I have got two doors on each side of the kitchen. The first door is my laundry area. Here I store all the bathroom mats, curtains and kitchen mats, plus extra cleaning and wiping clothes. This is my kitchen area. And right in front, that door leads to my pantry, where I store all the spice that I need for my cooking, lunch containers or extra containers that I don't use regularly. Yes, my pantry is very neatly organized, and again I use baskets I also have extra kitchen wok that I use regularly, but just because I have a small kitchen with less space, I leave that in the pantry. And I was lucky to have this pantry in this apartment because this is the best feature of this apartment. I also use containers and baskets to organize my freezer items so I can easily get them out, and they also look neat and organized. In this cupboard, I store all the glasses and bowls and lunch containers. Here I have a built-in chopping board. Below that, I have baking tools. Then I have my hand towels and wiping cloth. And at the bottom drawer, I have the roti maker, funnel and apron. This is my stove, and below is the oven. I store all the food there after cooking so that the kitchen looks neat and tidy. And below that, I have got all the baking pan. Here I've got all the cooking spoons, tongs, etc. And then I've got dining utensils. I've got all my cooking pot here. And the chopping board, salad maker. Here is the medicine cabinet, and all the medical care accessories are here in both the areas. Then I've got my dining plates, cups and bowls there. My microwave. I've got all the glass containers and serving accessories in this side of the kitchen. In this drawer, I've got all the knife, pillar, etc. Below it, I've got my blender, batteries, screwdrivers, etc. Then I've got all the kitchen cleaning accessories in this closet, as you can see. I've got extra stuff due to lockdown. Here is my patio or balcony area. I also have extra storage outside for my apartment. So this is what my patio looks like. And in this storage area here, I hang outdoor shoes. I have got gift wrappers here. Some to-go containers are also here, as you can see in the basket. My puja washing dish drainer is here. Some paper towels, toilet papers and other accessories are here. That is basically kitchen related. And my brooms are also here. These are the extra stuff that my family does need but uses it as needed, which is why it is here.